Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying model and pairing state so you choose the right find method. Turn on Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and location on your phone. These let the phone query the watch. Once done, check battery levels and keep both devices within roughly 30 meters so signals are stable. If the watch has a companion app, open it now. It often exposes a find feature. These steps ensure your tools are ready. Next, you'll use signal and app-based locating. You now use the companion app or the platform's find tool because it accesses the watch's last known data and can trigger alerts. Start by ringing the watch or sending a vibration command. Walk slowly while watching signal strength or proximity meter on the phone. If Wi-Fi/GPS data exist, pull up the last ping on a map and approach that area. Make sure to move methodically. Signal can drop behind walls, so you don't miss weak transmissions as you close in. You finish by sweeping probable locations: pockets, couch seams, bags, and chargers. Use the watch's sound repeatedly and listen closely. Quiet rooms help. Once you find it, confirm pairing and battery. If it's unresponsive, charge briefly before reconnecting. If the watch remains offline, mark it lost in the app, lock it, and note the last known location so you can return. One troubleshooting tip: if the phone can't see the watch, toggle Bluetooth and restart both devices to restore connections.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.